In this video, I'm going to share how to leverage a Facebook theme page along with print on demand and viral trending topics to absolutely crush it online and make tons of money. For those of you that are new to print on demand, it is where you create a design or have one done for you and you upload it to a website such as Printify, where they have tons of vendors that can print and ship your product directly to your customer. All of that is going to be done for you. And how it works is you charge the customer the retail price and you pay the wholesale price for the product. So for example, if you're selling a t-shirt, say you sell it at $30 and then you only pay $15 to have it printed and shipped to the customer. And so then you keep the difference of $15. What I love about this business model, as opposed to a lot of the other ones out here, is that there are no upfront costs. You can sign up for Printify 100% free. You can create your products. You can get them listed for sale online, and you never pay anything until you actually make a sale, right? So you have your theme page, they buy one of your branded t-shirts, and you get the profits from the customer, and you pay Printify to ship that directly for you, and then you're already in profit. So once you have built your theme page and once you have built up some followers, then at that point you have to decide, well, what kind of design am I going to put on my product to sell? And what has always worked really great for me is actually tapping into a viral trends. And I will use a tool like Sales Samurai or Google Trends to help me further research this. And I also just use social media to see what people are talking about and excited about on social media. So for example, when the movie Barbie came out, there were a lot of people searching for pink items or Barbie themed products to really get in the spirit of the movie. Now, of course, you don't want to use copyrighted items such as the Barbie logo or anything directly from the movie, but you can use it as inspiration to tap into that trend. Another great trending topic is the presidential race. We have Trump versus Kamala, and if you watch the presidential debate, you would see all kinds of trending memes and things going along with that. And I have seen so many print-on-demand stores tapping into that and absolutely crushing it with their sales. So politics is a very polarizing topic. People get very passionate about it and they want to represent their side and their beliefs. And it doesn't matter which side of the spectrum that you fall on, you too can absolutely capitalize on this trending topic. So when you incorporate emotions, where people are emotionally drawn to one side versus the other, and you can also include humor, something that makes people laugh, it's even better, right? We live in crazy times and people just want some stress relief. They want to laugh. And they often do that through memes on Facebook. So what better place to do your research than where all the buzz is happening? It truly takes just one viral trend to get your products flying off the shelves. So now let's just quickly pop over to my computer and I'm going to show you some real examples so that you can get some more inspiration. So I was scrolling on Instagram doing a little bit of research and I saw this pop up going absolutely viral with 14,566 likes. And as you can see, this is a store that is printing designs on flags, on t-shirts, on lots of different products, and people are absolutely loving this. So if you had a pet theme page like a cat or a dog page on Facebook and you already had an audience built up that loved cats or dogs and you posted something like this on there, that could absolutely take off and generate lots of revenue. So then I decided to do some further investigation on this type of design over on Etsy. So let's go take a look. So I typed in the search bar, "Don't snack on me," and then what came up is several bestsellers here. So we have the Springfield Meats one, "They're Eating the Dogs," "Oh Lord, he treadin', I'll tread wherever I want." And so these are obviously popular now, a bestseller. So these are really hot on Etsy. So it's always great to cross-reference your ideas and see what is popular and what is trending. And those are the kind of products that when you put them for sale, and when you share them with your audience, are likely to take off much faster than any other type of product design. And then when you click through here, you can see what kind of keywords that they're tapping into to get people to actually find their product on Etsy. But when you do this with the theme page, you don't even really need to worry about the search terms because you already have the audience there. But for example, this one, they're eating the dog shirt, funny election shirt, 2024 presidential debate, Republican t-shirt, Harris versus Trump tee, run, spot run debate. And as you see right there, this item has had a high sales volume over the past 6 months. So from there, once you have an idea, then you can go get a done for you design or create your own design. Now, so long as the slogan isn't copyright or trademark, then I would come over to Creative Fabrica, type that term in, and as you can see, there's already a ton of done for you designs that you can download and then add to your products on Printify. I have all of these resources linked for you down below in the description. So let's just go ahead and click on this one. So this is where you can download it and make sure that it says commercial and full print on demand usage allowed. You can also click on this and it's going to tell you all about the license rights, okay? And then there is an email where you can also contact Creative Fabrica directly to make sure that you're using the license in the correct way. So let's go ahead and download this. Then we can come over to Printify and pick the product that we want to place our design on under the catalog. You can scroll down and check out the top trending products and click see all. And then under here, you can decide which products that you would like to place that design on. So let's go ahead and just place it on this bestseller mug. Of course, you would have already signed up for your free Printify account, and then you can click on Start Designing. So right here to the left is where you would upload your image that you just downloaded, and then you can place it on the fronts and the back. So I just went ahead and duplicated that, and I'm making sure that it is centered right here. So here's what our mug will look like when it's done. There's some really great mock-ups here as examples, and then you hit save. And then you can list this for sale on a Printify pop-up shop. You could list it on Amazon. There are so many different places that you could list this for sale and then share it with your theme page audience. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this one and you're thinking about what kind of products that you can further monetize your pages with. Print on demand is definitely one of the best options to further monetize your page because there is the no upfront cost and you can have higher profit margins. You can create assets with your brand and get your followers to really be immersed in the culture of what your page is all about. So if you're excited about incorporating print on demand with your theme page, definitely drop me a comment down below. Let me know. If you have any questions, I would be happy to answer those as well. So make it an amazing day and I will see you in the next video.